Good morning students. In this video, I will be discussing on how to find the shortest path using link state routing, or we can call it as Dijkstra'S routing. So this is what the matrix that is given. So it may be any matrix. So this is one of the example where you can see from u to x the cost is 5, u to w 3, and u to y it is 7, v, w to y it is 8. So like that there is some matrix with respective costs. So we need to find the shortest path from this source node. So in a link state algorithm, you need to assume the source node. Let us assume the source node as u. So why we are calling it as link state means you are going to find the shortest path from source node to every other node. That's what the name link state. So you need to find the shortest path from u to x, u to w, u to v, u to y, and u to z. Okay, so let's start. So as I already told you, the source node here is u. So this is what the table here, this column is nothing but steps, and this is nothing but the set n, and here we have written d of v, d of w, d of x, d of y, and d of z, which is nothing but distance from u to v. From u to all the other nodes you need to write the distance, that is u to v, u to w, u to x, u to y, and u to z. If there are any other nodes, you can just write their nodes, and this down you can see p of v, p of w, p of x, p of y, and p of z. These are nothing but predecessor nodes. Okay, so these two you can write as it is based upon the matrix. Okay, so let's start the first step, that is 0th step. So as I already told you, in the set, first you should take the source node. As I already told you, the source node is u. So what I am doing here, from u to all the other nodes, I am just writing the shortest path, not shortest path, direct path. For example, u to v. So u to v, you can check here, there is a direct path from u to v. This is what v. u to v, we have a direct path of cost 7. And the next node to reach v is, there is no other node, it is a direct path. So it is 7. So here I have written 7 comma u. So u itself is the next node. So u to v it is 7 comma u. Similarly from u to w, for all the nodes you need to find u to w, it is 3. So the next node is u only, so 3 comma u. Similarly from u to x, u to x it is 5 direct path, so 5 comma u. And u to y, there is no direct path. There may be a path with via x, w, or v, but still it is the first step. X has to give its routing table to u, w has to give its routing table to u, and v has to give its routing table to u. Then you can calculate one of the best path from x, w, and v. That is next step. So first step I am just writing the direct path. So u to y, there is no path, so I am just writing infinity. Similarly, u to z, there is no direct path, so I am writing infinity. This is what your first step. So now what I will do, among this first row 7 comma u, 3 comma u, 5 comma u, infinity, infinity, I should check which is the least cost. So if you see 7, 3, 5, 3 is the least one. So just you can round off. So indicating that part I have completed, means I have taken the shortest or least value. So for that you should see the predecessor node. What is the predecessor node? It is w. So that w I am taking into the set n. So now it is u comma w. So now what I should do, from u I need to find the shortest path to all the nodes x, w, v, y, and z with the help of w also. So what does it mean? Now I should see the second step I am doing now. u to v. u to v, previously I told there is a direct path 7 comma u. Now I can take the help of w also because it is in the set. So via w, if you see to u, it is 3 plus 3, 6. Now you will calculate which is shortest, direct path or via w. So via w it is 6, so it will update now 6 comma w. Hope so understood now. Now u to w, there is a direct path, so 3 comma u, either you can write or you can just skip it. If you write also, no use. After writing, you can just round it off that it is over. Next, u to x, there is a direct path 5, but now you can take the help of w. So via w it is 3 plus 4 7, so it is bigger value, so I am just retaining the same value, that is u to x is 5. So here you can see 5 comma u, I am not changing it. Now u to y, previously there is no direct path, but now I can take the help of w. If I take the help of w, it is 3 plus 8, 8 plus 3, yes or no? It is 11, so 11 comma w, so I have written here. And u to z, still I can't find the direct path, so it is still infinity. So now second column or second row, if you see, you just round up the least value, 6, 5 and 11, which is the least 5, so I am just rounding up. So now you should see the predecessor value of u, sorry 5, it is x, so that's x I am taking into my set. That is what your next step. So now my set contains u, w and x. Now you need to find the shortest path or the path from u to x, w, v, y, z with the help of all these nodes, w and x. So repeat the same process. Again u to v, the direct path is 7. So I have considered the previous step. Via w it is 3 plus 3 6. Now you can take again x also. If I take x also, it is longer path. Okay. So I'm returning as it is 6 comma w. Even if you take from u to w, so this is the only path which is shortest. Even if you take y of x, it is 5 plus 4 9, which is somewhat larger. So I am returning u comma w. And if you take even that much only. Next, u to y, previously I took w, which is 8 plus 3 11. Now if you take x, it is 7 plus 5 12. So I am just returning the same value, that is 11 comma w. I am not changing. If you take z, so now there is no direct path, but via w is not possible, but via x, because it is in the set. So via x, if you calculate, it is 5 plus 9, 14. So now I updated as 14 comma x. It is not the shortest path, it is one of the path. Okay. Now I updated as 14 comma x. So that is what your third column. Third row. In the third row, now you can check which is least, that is 6 comma w, 11 comma w and 14 comma x. So the values which are rounded, you need not to take in the next step. Okay, because that itself is the shortest. So among these three, 6, 11 and 14, 6 is the least value, so I am just rounding it off, and then I am checking which is the predecessor value, it is v. That way I am taking into set. Now again you should find the shortest path or all the shortest path from u to all the other nodes with the help of w, x and v. So if you take v, it is the same value. If you take w, it is same value. If you take x, it is same value. But if you take y, so previously y I went via w. Now I have taken v into my set. So if via v, it is 7 plus 4. It is just 11 only. So I am just sorry. So via 1 second. Via w it was 11. 336 plus 4 11. Now via v it is 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 10. So just I am updating as 10 comma v. Okay. Next z. Okay. Via x you can go. That is same, 9 plus 5 14. So 14 comma x. Now I am just seeing which is the least value, 10 and 14. The least value is 10. So I am just rounding off 10. So I am just checking which is the predecessor value of that. It is y. So that y I am taking into set. Again you need to consider same process, and finally 14 comma x is there. No, all values will be same. There is no change. If you want, you can check it. So for z, previously I have taken y x. It is 9 plus 5 4 5 14. Now I will take y, means something like this. 3 plus 3 plus 4 is 11 plus 2 13. So via v it is 7 plus 4 plus 2. How much? 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 it was. So via this path, if I take 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. So it is shortest. So my previous node to move z is v. So I am updating 12 comma, sorry, y, it was 12 comma y. Previously I have taken x, which is 9 plus 5, it is 14. Now if I go via y, it is only 12. So I am just updating 14 to 12. So 12 comma y updated. So next, this is the smallest z I am taking into my set. Then again you find all the paths. You will get same value like 6 comma w, 3 comma u, 5 comma u, 10 comma v, and 12 comma y. So until when you should do the previous step and the last step will be same. Then you should stop the iterations. That concludes that you have reached the shortest path from source node U to all the other nodes. So if you want, you can check. If anyone asks what is the shortest path from U to V, then it is U to V, it is 7 via, it is 6 via W. Here you can see U to V, it is 6 comma W. Once again I will show you it. I will just clear it. Okay. After constructing this table, you can easily see U to V, which is the shortest path. It is 6 comma W, means via W if you move, it will be cost is 6. So you can check here. U to V via W if you move, it is 3 plus 3, 6. Then if you want to go from U to W, it is 3 comma U. Via U, it is 3. So U to W, there is a direct path. So if you want to go from U to X, it is via U 5. So U to X, direct path via U 5. If you want to go from U to Y, it is via Y 10. So U to Y via V. So here it is 10. 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10. If you want to go from U to Z, it is 12 via Y. Means here you can see 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. It is 12. So if they sometimes they will ask in the exam, draw the spanning trees. So the spanning tree is very simple. You can just write like this: U to X. Okay, or U to V, it is 6 comma W now. So just you write U to V like this: U, W, and then V. So this is what the spanning tree for U to V. Okay. Next, if you want, you can write the cost also: 3 plus 3. So U to W, it is 3 comma U. So this one U to W. One more spanning tree you can write: U to W with a cost of 3. Next, U to X, it is 5 comma U. So this path. So just write U to X. This is one more spanning tree. Next, U to Y, it is 10 comma V. U to Y. So this path you can see here clearly I have written. Just you write like this: U to W, W to V, and then V to Y. This is one more spanning tree. And lastly, U to Z, it is 12 comma Y. So this one: U to X, U to W, W to V, V to Y, and Y to Z. You can just draw U to W, then W to V, V to Y, and Y to Z. Just to update the costs. Then, so these are all various spanning trees from the source node U to all the other nodes. That's what the name link state algorithm. So sometimes they will ask, explain Dijkstra'S routing algorithm, because Dijkstra'S is one of the author who has introduced this link state algorithm. That's what the name Dijkstra'S routing algorithm. Okay. So hope so you enjoyed the video. For more videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.